Now, one of the ways the federal government has argued that these deportations to third countries are okay is that these are largely violent criminals that are being deported to these third countries. So I guess there's two aspects we can talk about with that. First up, does that even make a difference whether they're violent criminals or not as to whether they should get due process? And, well, are many of these immigrants who actually are being deported to places like South Sudan or El Salvador, are they violent criminals? Or, as I've seen, many of them don't really seem to have any, well, violent criminal records whatsoever.
Well, I mean, that's a really great point. Even someone who does have a significant criminal history should still be afforded due process. But what I've seen in these third country removals and the situations that the Trump administration is trying to get around are the cases where they can't easily deport people to their home countries. So one of the reasons that can happen is because the person has a criminal history and their own country won't accept them back. The main reason that occurs is that the other government won't or can't receive its people. So won't could be an example like Venezuela when they refused to receive deportees because of political reasons and political battles with the Trump administration. That can't receive deportees is where we have a situation where someone might be stateless or they come from a country that doesn't have a functioning government, like maybe somebody from Somalia, for example. And that can, ebb and flow around the globe depending on what's happening in other countries. So the vast majority of these folks who can't be deported easily, it's not actually because of a criminal history, it's because of something political going on in their country.